When life gives you lemons, you don't complain. You plant a lemon tree and let it teach you patience. Lemon trees are some of the most iconic plants on the planet. They look simple, smell incredible, and quietly pull off one of nature's greatest magic tricks, turning sunlight, water, and soil into bright yellow confidence boosters. At their core, lemon trees are evergreen citrus trees that thrive on consistency. They want sun the way a solar panel wants photons. They want well-draining soil the way your phone wants Wi-Fi. And they want just enough attention to know you care, without being hovered over like a helicopter parent. Historically, lemon trees weren't just garden decorations. They were strategic assets. Ancient civilizations valued citrus for preventing disease, preserving food, and surviving long journeys. Entire trade routes were shaped around citrus. In a very real way, lemon trees helped power early globalization, just with fewer spreadsheets. Fast forward to today, and lemon trees have found a second life in backyards, patios, and even living rooms. Dwarf varieties turned citrus into an urban farming favorite. You don't need land. You need light, drainage, and a little curiosity, and ideally, reliable guidance instead of guesswork. Here's where many people go wrong. Overwatering. Lemon trees hate wet feet. Roots that sit in soggy soil start to rot, and suddenly your easy plant turns into a mystery novel. If the soil feels damp a couple inches down, step away. Let the tree breathe. This is where knowing what stage your plant is in actually matters. Sunlight matters just as much. Lemon trees need about 6 to 8 hours of direct sun daily. Indoors, that usually means a south-facing window or a grow light. Think of light like charging a battery. Without enough of it, the tree survives, but it won't thrive. Now let's talk fruit. Lemon trees don't rush. They flower when conditions feel right, not when we're impatient. The blossoms smell incredible, but not every flower becomes a lemon. That's normal. The tree is budgeting energy like a very practical accountant, responding to temperature, light, water, and stress signals we don't always notice. From a wellness perspective, lemon trees offer more than fruit. Gardening has been shown to reduce stress, improve focus, and support overall mental well-being. There's something grounding about caring for a living system that doesn't respond to notifications or deadlines, just patterns, signals, and time. From a technology perspective, gardening is evolving fast. Smart sensors, AI plant identification, and personalized care schedules are closing the gap between beginners and experts. Platforms like RootJoy.app help gardeners understand what their plants are signaling, often before problems are visible. So small issues don't turn into plant losses. If you want deeper insight into lemon trees, how they grow, how to care for them, and what actually works in your climate, you can explore the Lemon Tree Guide and many more plant guides at RootJoy. And if you're building a home garden, balcony setup, or urban farm, RootJoy.app helps you identify plants instantly and tailor care to your environment with clarity instead of confusion. Because lemon trees aren't just about lemons, they're about timing, trusting cycles, and remembering that the best growth happens quietly, one day at a time.